Herd immunity is something we've been talking about a lot throughout all of this COVID stuff, and something we definitely need when it comes to coronavirus desperately. But one local doctor says the COVID lockdowns have put so many children behind on their regular vaccinations that we could lose herd immunity for a different disease altogether, one we haven't had to worry about for a while. Leah Shields joining us now live outside UF Health with what is happening with children's vaccinations. Good morning, Leah.
Good morning, Lou. There has been a steady and drastic decline in the number of kids vaccinated for measles, mumps, and rubella. Now, we reported back in May from the CDC that parents have stopped going, hospitals to doctor checkups, and consequently, that means that kids have stopped getting their annual vaccines. But a local doctor tells me you should not be avoiding the doctor's office. You need to go and get your vaccines.
For many of the vaccine preventable diseases, you need a certain threshold of percent of immunizations in the community to provide herd immunity so you can protect everybody. And we have fallen way below that for like measles, mumps, and rubella.
That's Dr. Mobeen Rathor, a pediatric infectious disease specialist and immunologist with UF Health Jacksonville. What he said is serious.
And as a result, not only the children who are not immunized are at risk for getting those infections. In addition, we have lost the benefit of herd immunity.
Herd immunity. That's when we build a resistance to the spread of a contagious disease because enough people are immune, especially through vaccination. Rathor says for measles, mumps, and rubella, 95% of the population or higher should be vaccinated for herd immunity. Since the start of the pandemic, he says we have fallen significantly below that. Parents, this is a wake-up call. So I know you have your phone in your hands a lot of part of the day, so make sure you call your pediatrician today, schedule that appointment, and get your child's vaccines up to date. In Jacksonville, Leah Shields, First Coast News on your side.